In this video, I'm sharing this design that I created using Rhino and Grasshopper. If you want to check it out, the links are in the description. This design goes over a Voronoi structure that has a wireframe, and it also creates some frames with glass. I do have a lot of different scripts that I've created, so if you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to check out the other scripts, they are in the description or on the website. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.